In this installment of our app tutorial series, we're diving into the issue many Instagram users encounter, the malfunctioning swipe reply feature on iPhones or iPads. If you've been frustrated by the inability to respond to messages seamlessly, stick around as I walk you through several troubleshooting steps to get things back on track. First, let's pinpoint the problem. When you navigate to your Instagram messages, you may notice that the swipe reply option is either missing or unresponsive. This can hamper your ability to engage with specific messages within a conversation thread. To address this issue, the first thing to check is whether you've inadvertently activated the vanish mode. This feature automatically removes messages after viewing, but it disables the reply function. You can toggle vanish mode by swiping up in the message thread. If enabled, swipe up again to turn it off and regain access to the reply feature. If disabling vanish mode doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram, and if an update is available, install it. Updating the app ensures you have the latest bug fixes and features, potentially resolving the reply problem. If the issue persists, consider offloading the Instagram app. Navigate to your device settings, locate the iPhone storage section, and select Instagram from the list of installed apps. Offloading the app clears its cache and removes unnecessary data. After offloading, reinstall the app to initiate a fresh installation, which can often rectify percent. Still no luck? Don't fret. There's one more troubleshooting step to try. Capture a screenshot of the problem within the Instagram app and proceed to your profile settings. From there, access the help section, report a problem, and detail the issue to Instagram's support team. Be sure to attach the screenshot for clarity. The Instagram team typically responds within a day or two and works to resolve reported issues promptly. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can hopefully resolve the swipe reply problem on Instagram. If this tutorial proves helpful, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.